our development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities, but they are dormant. They develop in a society. We use language to communicate with one another, but we cannot do so at birth. We learn language gradually. Our first language is the one that is spoken at home. If our neighbors speak different languages, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunities to learn different languages. We also have the capacity to think independently. For example, when all the students in a class are given the same topic for an essay, why is it that no two essays are same? It is because the thought process in each is different. Society helps in development of our emotional capabilities and the power to think. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. The development of our artistic and other talents are also taken into consideration in society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, adventurer, social worker can all develop their qualities further because of the backing and the encouragement of the society. This encouragement is important. What is meant by society? Society includes all people, men, women, grown-ups, old people, young children. Our families are a part of the society. Society also includes different groups, institutions, and organizations. The interrelationship and the interaction between the people, their dependencies on one another, and sharing also form a part of society. So, society is not simply a mob or a crowd of people. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. In order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security, the society has to create a permanent system. Without such a system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. For an example, agriculture is essential to fulfill the need for people of food. Various institutions must be created to perform all the functions related to agriculture. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created, which includes factories to manufacture tools and equipments used for farming, banks to provide loans to the farmers, a market for the goods produced, etc. The existence of many such systems make a society stable. In the next chapter, we shall learn about the diversity in the Indian society.